In today's fast-paced digital world, seamless connectivity between legacy hardware and modern displays is a common challenge. The BENFEI VGA to HDMI cable with audio offers an elegant and practical solution for users needing to bridge the gap between older VGA-equipped devices and HDMI-compatible displays such as monitors, projectors, and HD TVs. With its robust build, integrated audio support, and exceptional resolution compatibility, this adapter cable stands out as a dependable tool for both home and professional setups. The BENFEI VGA to HDMI cable showcases a thoughtful and durable design. At its core, the adapter features a VGA HD15 male connector on one end and an HDMI 19-pin female connector on the other. A USB 2.0 male cable is seamlessly integrated to provide both power and digital audio transmission. This setup eliminates the need for external adapters or drivers, making installation plug-and-play on most systems. The connectors are gold-plated, enhancing conductivity and ensuring resistance to corrosion and wear over time. The BENFEI VGA to HDMI cable with audio is a well-crafted, reliable, and highly functional adapter cable that addresses a real-world need. Whether for office use, education, legacy system upgrades, or casual multimedia purposes, it enables users to maximize the utility of older hardware in modern setups. The inclusion of USB audio support, full HD video resolution, and plug-and-play usability make it one of the best value options in its category.